Hello, my name is Vidal with Surety, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Ethernet connection for your alarm.com PoE cameras and IP cameras if you're using a CSVR. So to get started, you will need some wire crimpers, some of these ends that are compatible with your crimper. My crimper has some cuts and wire strippers, so if yours doesn't, you may need some wire strippers, a tech screwdriver, flathead, and I strongly recommend a data tester as it could save you a lot of time. So to get started, you get your Cat 5. These alarm.com cameras are usually going to be mounted outdoors, so it's important that you install your weatherproof casing here. I recommend that you install this before. This one you're able to install it after it's been crimped down, but I always just install it before. So this little sleeve here will go inside here, and then this goes in here, and then I usually do like a twist or two there. This ring will go on the camera side. It'll just go on there. So from here, I usually strip back about 1.5 inches, 2 inches. So from here, just take that piece off. And then I usually untwist the base a little bit, and then I insert my tech screwdriver. Helps you save some time there, and also when you're untwisting it this way, it makes the wire be a little bit more straight compared to if you kind of try untwisting it this way. So just on the base there, if your wires are still too wavy there, you could just go like this. So from here, the order on these will be white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. So you could just kind of put those in that order here. And then, so once you got that order there, before you insert this casing in there, because you're not gonna be able to get it there. This is where you will cut the ends, make them all straight there. And now this will be a lot easier. So some of these are not pushed through. Some of these you might have to cut them down shorter, but you do not want your connectors looking like that with the exposed wiring there. You want the jacket to go in there so that when it gets crimped down, it'll look something like that. I always double check the order here: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown, which is correct there. So now I get my crimp tool and I just insert it in here, then just crimp down, and it just cuts all the excess wire. And now from here, I get my data tester. So test, and as you can see, this one passed. You can see pass on the top left, and they're all number to number there. So this wire is now good. So then when this one gets inserted into here, make sure that this one, you put it in on there nice, evenly and slowly, so that the ring gets pressed down evenly, and then you could just tighten it in on here. And that is how you make a Cat 5 end. So thank you very much.